Hello dear students, let's continue chapter number 1 of history, in which we are discussing about what, where, how and when. So let's start the chapter that how can we know about the past. There are many ways of finding about the past. One is to search for, and another one is the reading books that were written long ago. These are called manuscripts because they were written by hand. Actually, manu, this is a Latin word which means hand. So manuscript, they deal with religions, kings, science, medicine and literature. Manuscript, they were written on the palm leaves or the bark of a tree, especially on the birch tree, which are found in the Himalayan region. Second is about the inscription. Inscription means script meaning writing, in means inside. So they were written especially on the hard surfaces like metals or stone. Sometimes king got their orders inscribed so that people could see, read and obey them. There are other kinds of inscriptions as well where men and women, including kings and queens, they recorded what they did. For example, kings often kept records of victories in battle. How can we forget Ashokan pillar, where he engraved the principles of Dhamma. Besides it, there were many other things that were made and used in the past. Those who study these objects are called archaeologists, as you can see in this illustration. They study the remains of buildings made of stone and brick. They also explore and excavate, which means digging under the surface of the earth to find tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments and coins. Some of these objects may be made of stone, others of bone, baked clay or metal. Objects that are made of hard, imperishable substances usually survive for a longer period of time. Archaeologists, they also look for bones of animals, birds and fish. This is the illustration which is taken from your book only. So here one pot which was used 1000 years ago, and the silver coin which was also used around 2500 years ago. So these were also studied by the archaeologist. Plant remains survive for more rarely if seeds of grain of piece of wood have been burnt. They survive in a charred form. So dear student, this is all about this module. Have a nice day.